Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to redeem your Amazon gift card from Fampay in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, log into your Amazon account and you can do this on the website or through the mobile app. And on the website, click on your account and then select Amazon Pay balance. Alright, so here you can find your Amazon Pay balance. And on the screen, select Amazon Pay and then tap this one here, Amazon Pay balance. And if you're using the app, tap on the menu icon and select Amazon Pay, then choose the Amazon Pay balance. Right. Next, click on Add Gift Card. Like you can choose the amount and to enter your voucher details. So, like choose the amount, right, and click on the Add Gift Card to balance, and then click the gift card number and your balance. And this will be created to your Amazon Pay wallet instantly. Right, and you'll see something like this on the screen, and then choose a product that you want to pay, like check out, add to your card. And if your balance isn't enough, you can select your Amazon Pay balance as a payment method for the remaining amount. So here are the steps: select Amazon Pay, choose Amazon Pay balance, select a gift card to add balance, enter the gift card voucher number, and that's all there is to it. So you can combine multiple gift card purchase in a single purchase. All right, you can like add more one after another, right? And Amazon gift card purchase cannot be cancelled once redeemed. So your Amazon Pay balance can be used for eligible purchases on Amazon. And that's it. You have successfully redeemed your Amazon gift card from Fampay.